He wasn't ready for our steering lock.
Now this one is a little extra. And what I mean by that is that you've got a remote, you've got an alarm, and you've got the locking device. So first off, look at this key. It's an inverted key. And it's the first time I've seen one. But when you look at the locking assembly, it is tight. It is small, and it is made out of brass, and it is super tough. Like, this is not cheap. This is not plastic. You've got brass, you've got metal, and the key goes in here. It's a nice fit. The locking mechanism feels really good. And that's important because when a locking mechanism is cheap, it's gonna have a hard time getting in there because of the teeth they're just not well made. And with this one, this really works nicely.
To put it on, you're gonna pick a side and then you're just gonna lock it in, make sure it doesn't hit your door panel, and you're good to go. So this is how you remove it. You just unlock it and it comes right off, even with one hand.
And here's the thing, if your car sits outside, if you're gonna leave your car in the airport, if you're gonna leave your car anywhere that you don't trust, having something like this is beefy. This is not gonna get cut really easily. This automatically makes people think twice. And when people are out there looking to steal cars, they're looking for two things. Is it gonna be easy, and is it gonna be easy? Any obstacle could run the risk for them to be caught. Somebody could see them, the alarm could be going off, and them being longer there could expose them to getting caught. So whenever they walk by and they see something like this, they're automatically like, ugh. The cool thing is you've got this alarm that's blaring, and I originally thought, you know, can't you just rip it off or break it? But it's actually attached with metal brackets and it's loud. So if you're a thief and you come in there and you're trying to mess with this is blaring, you're probably gonna walk away. And that's the whole point. The whole point is to make somebody walk away and give up. So I'm gonna give you guys two options. You have this option where it comes with the alarm and everything, which is pretty cool. And then you have the option of just having the device itself. So we're gonna show you how we put this together, how it works, and then give you the link in the description so you can pick one up for yourself. To be honest with you, when we put it together, and I'm a master tech, I was a little intimidated because there was a lot of parts, and then the instructions, you could read them, but they were a little hard to understand. But after we put it together, it made sense, and it's actually pretty easy once you understand it.
So this was the tricky part. If you look right here, I have this bracket, and what you need to do is you need to put this little bracket behind here, just like that, and then you put this one like this, and then you put this little screw inside here, and then you tighten it down. All right, for assembly, once we have these two brackets on, we're gonna put this black bracket on here, and then we're gonna place this like this, and then we actually have our hardware, the one that has the nut and the washer, and then we have another bracket that's gonna go right underneath it. Using both hands, to flip it over, stick our washer in here, put on our nut. We're gonna do the other side real quick. We're not gonna tighten it down because we wanna be able to move it. They did give us a little Allen key so we could tighten stuff up, which is helpful. Just make sure you get your alignment correct. You're gonna have to hold the nut in the back while you're tightening it, and then it'll catch and then it'll do the rest. To adjust the sensitivity level, you're going to press unlock, and then you're gonna hold unlock until the light goes out, and then it comes back. Once it comes back, the lock button is how you adjust the sensitivity level. There's 7 levels, and it's based on a tone. High, and then it's gonna go lower as the pitch gets higher. And then when you set your setting, press unlock, and it's set. To adjust the volume, it's gonna be the same procedure with the unlock. You're gonna press it once, then you're gonna hold it until the light goes out, and then it comes back. And then you're gonna go to the bell icon, and you have 3 settings for volume. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna set ours at lowest, and we're gonna lock in the setting by pressing the unlock button. And it's good. Once you get it, it makes sense. And I definitely think that it could add a deterrent during the situation, or just giving you an extra peace of mind. Now remember, devices like this are gonna make a difference. It just makes sense. If you're stealing a car, you already don't have high IQ,
And when they run into situations like this, they just don't have the time to mess with it. And pick whichever one you feel comfortable. I like the alarm, but having this device alone, it's yellow, it's strong, it's gonna do the job, is gonna help as well. The link is gonna be in the description for both. One of them is gonna say with the alarm, and the other one's just gonna say just the locking device by itself. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Punch that like button. We appreciate you. Take care and stay safe.